Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete any Discord quest without playing or owning the game for the quest itself. Now, there are quite a few videos on how to do this, but for my video, I'm going to make sure to explain how to do it, so you make sure you do it properly, so you have no errors or bugs, and that your quest can be completed without owning or playing the game. So quickly, the first thing we need to do is we have to open the Discord app on your PC. Now, after some research, I have found out that this is only available on the Discord app. I don't believe this works on Discord browser app, but you could try opening Discord on the browser and seeing if this works. But if you can, if possible, try this on the actual app itself, because this is where it seems to actually work properly. Now, really, there's only like 3 steps to doing this thing, but the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to your user settings on the bottom left-hand side of your screen, and you're going to go down and you're going to click on advanced settings on the bottom under app settings. And once you're in here, there'll be a developer mode setting here. As you can see, I currently have it off, but you're going to want to turn that on. So I'm going to turn it on right now. And now that I have this on, we're going to go back to our main screen here. And we're going to quickly press Control-R on our keyboard just to refresh Discord, just to make sure that the developer mode is properly working. After we do that, we're going to go to the Quest tab, which they have now moved to the main screen of Discord. It used to be under the Discovery tab, but they have moved it now to just the main screen under the shop. But you're going to go to the Quest tab, and you're going to choose a quest that you want to do. Now, I don't believe these work with video quests, but that doesn't really matter anyways, because the video quest, you just watch the video, and usually the video is probably less than a minute, so it's not really difficult. But for all the other quests where it's like for example, play Honkai Star Rail for 15 minutes or play League of Legends for 15 minutes, these are the kind of quests that we are focusing on, because you need to play a specific game for a certain amount of time to get the avatar decoration or the bundle or whatever it is that you're trying to unlock. So we're going to do this League of Legends quest here. It ends on the 10th, which is today, so you might not have this quest when you do this video, but whatever quest you are doing, there's quests released all the time, as you can see by all of these quests here. Any quest that says play this for this long, you could do with this method. So we're going to do this quest here just for the sake of this video, and all we're going to do is click accept quest. That's the first step. And now this is where we have to do the script. So we're going to go to GitHub here, and I will have this linked in the description below. By the way, this code's actually created by Amia, who is actually a part of Discord previews. If you don't know what Discord previews is, there's a Discord server and a Twitter for them, and they basically post updates on leaks for future Discord updates, and or just simply posting, new things that Discord is working on, or just things that they might be working on. But either way, though, this is a trusted source. So I would only use this code here that I will have linked in the description below, called Complete Discord Quest. So once you're here, all you're going to do is you're going to see this file, Complete Discord Quest here. All you're going to do is click on this Click to Expand button right here that they have made here for us. And we're simply going to copy from the very top, and we're going to go down and we're going to copy to the very bottom here. So bottom is right there. We are going to Control-C that, and we're going to go back to our Discord app here on the Quest tab. And all we're going to do is we're going to do Control-Shift-I, which is simply inspecting the Discord client, much less if you inspected your Google client when you're on Google. It's just kind of showing how the actual app is built. And we're going to go to the console here, and inside of the console, we're going to Control-V. Now, you might get a message saying a warning here, but all you're going to do is type allow pasting and click enter, and then you're going to paste this code in. By the way, you could always look through this code if you understand code, just to see what it's doing, but there's nothing in here that's actually taking any of your data. It's simply just editing the quest and changing the progress of it. So after we have all that in, we're simply going to click enter, and it'll start running the code, and we can see quest progress is currently at 0 out of 900. Now we can see the green has lit up, which usually means that it's running the game. As you can see, it just went to 1%. So it's actually currently working. And simply, you're going to have this code running, and it'll run for 15 minutes, so it'll still take 15 minutes to do the quest, but you do not have to own the game or play the game in order to progress it. So you'll still get the actual decoration that's associated with it, or whatever bundle that comes with it, or Discord orbs. But all you have to do is just let this code kind of run for 15 minutes, and then this quest will be completed, and you will be able to accept it. Now, before I end this video, I do want to quickly mention that if you do reset your Discord client, or reopen it, or close it, or whatever, it will remove this code, and the progress will no longer do anything. So you'll have to run it again. So make sure to have your Discord client open for that 15 minutes, so then it will actually progress and finish the quest. But this is just one example of how it's not actually taking over your account, as you just run it once basically, and then it's never running again. Anyways though guys, that is how you get any Discord quest completed without playing or owning the actual game. If you have any troubleshooting issues, or if you're having any issues whatever with this tutorial, or how to do any of this, or how to run the code or any of that, please join my Discord server. It is linked in the description below, and you could always go into the support chat that I have here, and you could ping me and I will help you, or one of my staff members will help you to try and get your thing running. But other than that though, please subscribe to this channel. We are currently about 270-ish subs away from 3,000 subscribers, and once we hit 3,000 subscribers, I will be giving away Discord Nitro to 3 different winners, or in other words, a month to each winner, and that will be also hosted in my Discord server giveaways channel as well. So make sure to join the server, make sure to subscribe, and like this video, and share with your friends if they want to get some free Discord items for themselves without owning or playing the game. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.